Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you guys how to correctly bypass the Cnfans warning. So at first, let's say we want to buy a product that is Christmas related. So let's say we want this candy, and if we click on this and then add to cart, I need to select the category and everything. Click on add to cart. It says added over here, but most of the time it will give me a warning. What you need to do is at the top you'll find this one thing called product link. If you click on that, then it will take you to the original link of the product. As you can see, this is in Chinese version. If I click on English, we're gonna wait for this to load up. Okay, so it can't be found. Okay, so what you need to do in that case is, let's say, try another product, this one, product link. And yeah, this is another annoying thing, that you cannot find the original link. As you can see, for this product I found their original link. So if I click on add to cart, they do not show any more errors, and this is how to do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.